In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your ClickUp sidebar. To get started, open ClickUp and look over to the left side of the screen. This is your sidebar, and it's where you can quickly access the areas, tools, and workspaces you use most often. Customizing it can make navigation much faster and help keep your layout clean and focused on what matters most to you. Once you've found the sidebar, go to the bottom of it and click the Customize Sidebar icon. This will open the Sidebar Customization menu, where you can control what appears and how everything is organized. From here, select the items you want to display in the sidebar. This is useful if there are certain sections you access regularly and want to keep visible for quicker access. At the same time, you can deselect any items you want to hide. Removing items you don't use often can make the sidebar feel less cluttered and easier to scan. After choosing what should be shown and hidden, you can start arranging the sidebar items in the order that works best for you. Simply drag the items and place them where you want them. A good tip here is to keep your most frequently used sections near the top, so they're always easy to reach. Next, open the Spaces section. This is where you can decide which spaces should appear in your sidebar. If you work across multiple spaces, this step helps you prioritize the ones you need most often and hide the ones that are less relevant to your daily workflow. Once you've chosen which spaces to show, you can continue organizing by dragging spaces, folders, and lists into the arrangement you prefer. This gives you even more control over how your workspace is structured, and it can make a big difference when you're trying to stay organized across multiple projects. If there's an item you always want to keep visible, click the pin icon beside it. Pinning is especially helpful for important locations that you return to frequently, because it helps ensure they stay easy to find. When everything looks the way you want, close the customization menu to save your sidebar layout. Your changes will remain in place, giving you a more personalized and efficient ClickUp experience. That's all it takes to customize your ClickUp sidebar. Thanks for watching.